Haggadah we read, Pesach shayu avotenu ochlim bizman shebeit hamikdash haya kayam al shumma. The Passover offering which our ancestors ate in temple days, what was the reason for it? Al shum shepasach hakadosh baruch hu abatei avotenu b'Mitzrayim. It was because the Holy One, blessed be He, passed over the houses of our ancestors in Egypt. The Haggadah is telling us that on the night of Makat Bechorot, when God sent the plague of the firstborn sons, we were spared because we were doing the Korban Pesach. The idea that God passed over us is quite a simple but profound idea. The commentators explain that Passover also means chemla, mercy. What does this mean that He had mercy? The straightforward interpretation of that is that we too deserve to die. We deserved to be treated like the Egyptians. But because we did the Korban Pesach, we merited being saved. What does this mean? Weren't we the descendants of Avraham Avinu? Didn't God make a promise to Avraham Avinu to save his children and take them out of a foreign land and bring them to Eretz Yisrael, Eretz Canaan? The implication is that had we not been able to do the Korban Pesach, we would not have been the children of Avraham Avinu, and therefore we would not have merited being redeemed from Egypt. A profound idea is being expressed in that one sentence, that we would not have been saved if not for the Korban Pesach. What that means to say is, what makes us different is the fact that we were able to sacrifice the lamb. Why? Rishonim, the commentators explain that the lamb was the Egyptian god. By being able to sacrifice the lamb, we showed that we did not worship the same God as them. We adhered to the ideas that Avraham Avinu spread, and that Avraham Avinu wanted to be eternalized in a nation. By rejecting Egyptian paganism, we showed our adherence and loyalty to those ideas. The lesson for us nowadays is one of great import, and that is that we have to appreciate that what makes us the Jewish people is not just the fact that we descend from the Avot and that we have a great history to our people. It's the fact that we are a nation of ideas, of a certain ideology of monotheism, as preached and taught originally by Avraham Avinu. Let us take the time of Chag Pesach to learn about and reaffirm those ideas so that we can merit a true Geulah Shlema b'mheira b'yameinu. Chag Kasher v'Sameach.